What's going on, guys? So in this video I want to show you a really great niche. It's an underrated niche. Not a lot of people are promoting this niche, and you can take advantage and you can start making money with this niche. Okay, so we're going to be doing CPA marketing here, but stay until the end of the video. I'm going to show you a different way of doing it as well. All right, so the first thing you want to do, if you Google for Google Trends, and this is a site I like to spend a lot of time in, and you go to Google Trends and you type DoorDash, take a look at this amazing growth here. Take a look at this crazy growth, right? This is 2017 to present day. Amazing growth, okay? So what is DoorDash, okay? Some of you know about DoorDash, some of you may not know about DoorDash. It depends where you are, it depends on what you do, okay? So if you Google for DoorDash, right, to find out, you will see that DoorDash is a food delivery and takeout, okay? And so if you click on the result here, you will see this is restaurants and more delivered to your door, okay? And this is exactly what DoorDash is. You can enter your delivery address. Let's say you put 90210 Beverly Hills, really nice area if you're not aware. And it's going to show you the options, right? You can create an account and all that. Now, it's very important to understand. Here's the menu. I can order McDonald's. Obviously, if I'm living at that address, I'm very rich. I'm not going to be ordering McDonald's. But I might order, who knows, maybe I will order McDonald's, right? If you like McDonald's, leave a comment below. I don't know how many people like McDonald's. It really depends, all right? Now, it's important to understand, guys, all right? You got to understand this diagram right here. Let me explain something to you. This is DoorDash. DD is DoorDash. This thing are consumers, okay? When I go to this website, I'm a consumer, okay? I am a consumer. I want to eat. I'm ready to pay. I have money in my pocket. I want to order and I want to eat, right? I'm a consumer, okay? So I order and then I get my food, okay? Now, this is me. This is me ordering, right? Order. Well, you can understand it, right? Order. And then I get my food. I get it, right? Get it, all right? So it's very important to understand. Now, behind the scenes, I don't care how that food gets to me, okay? It's going to be delivered by somebody. That person, it could be a robot, it could be, a drone delivering it. Doesn't really matter. I don't really care how it gets delivered. My point is that, I order something and it gets delivered, okay? Now, there's another side to DD, DoorDash, right? These are the drivers, okay? It's a whole other market, right? You guys got to understand. So if I put it like this, kind of like a dotted line, right? You will see that it's really two sides. You have this consumer side here, and you have a driver side. And what DoorDash is doing, they build this website, and they're like kind of an exchange, right? They're kind of like NASDAQ or NYSE or all of these exchanges or Airbnb, you name it. All of these places are exchanges. Google is an exchange, right? I search for something and I get a website, but Google makes that happen. Okay, so that's what you guys got to understand. This is drivers. Now, what we're going to be doing today is we are going to be getting drivers to DoorDash. We're not going to be getting consumers to DoorDash. That's also a nice strategy. We might do that in a later video. But in this video, we are going to be specifically getting drivers. Okay, so this is something you got to understand. Now, if you go to OfferWorld and you type DoorDash here, right? So let's say I type DoorDash. And guess what I have? I have DoorDash Driver Acquisition Program, $50, MaxBounty, right? You guys know MaxBounty? All right, just checking. We have another acquisition, $37, Triad Media. We have another DoorDash acquisition program. This is Ambalai affiliate. So you can just pick the highest one, right? And you guys got to understand, very important, is that you have DoorDash Driver Acquisition, but you also have consumer acquisition. Okay, you see that consumer? As you can see, it's less. It's only $13, $9.50. It depends, right? Sometimes it's going to be equal. Maybe sometimes it's going to be more or less. But right now, they're paying $50 for the drivers, $37.50 for drivers, right? Drivers are more valuable to them. That's the thing, right? Drivers are more valuable. And that's something you guys got to understand. That's what we're going to be promoting. So now you understand where we're going to be sending the traffic. What we need to do is we need to get people who are interested, right? So for instance, we need to get a person, this is our drivers, this is a regular person. we need to get these people here who might be interested in driving. Maybe they're looking to become drivers, or maybe they have no idea this program exists and they just want to make money, right? They just want to have a side income. There's a lot of categories, right? So what we need to do is we need to find these people. Once we do, we can just funnel them to this driver program, okay? Now, I want to show you a couple of other things, guys. It's very, very important, right? If you Google become a DoorDash driver, you're going to have the sign up. You do not want to send them directly to the sign up page, right? So I'll just open it up to show you. Because if you do that, you're not going to be getting your commissions. You're not going to be getting your affiliate commission if you send them directly here. Very, very important. But what I want to show you guys on this page here is I want to show you these pages. So there's how to become a DoorDash driver, requirements and applications. So if I open this here, I can see the requirements, okay? And this is very important, okay? Because if you're going to be dealing with these people, you need to understand the requirements, right? All right, so here I have this page opened up right here. It's from Rightster.com, okay? And these are the requirements, okay? Very, very important because you need to be familiar with this. Now, how do you actually find these people? Well, there are two main ways of finding these people, okay? The first way is the general way. So if I go to Google right here and I type something like, how do I become a DoorDash driver? Okay, and I will find different forums. I will find different communities, right? So if I enter this right here, how do I become a DoorDash driver? I'm going to find, you can make a YouTube video. You can make a YouTube video, right? You can create a web page. You can go to different communities, right? You can enter comments under very, very popular posts with a lot of content. You can do that, right? Is being a DoorDash driver worth it, right? You can go to Medium and create an article, okay? I've talked about this in some of the previous videos. This is medium.com, and you can simply get started. You can sign in if you have an account, and you can write a page like this. Now, what I like about this page, I don't know if this person is an affiliate or not, but if they were, they could have a really good opportunity to make money. It says here, is being a DoorDash driver worth it, right? It's a really nice angle here, right? Because they're not saying, how do I become a DoorDash driver? They're saying, is it worth it? And typically they want to say, yes, it's worth it. And that way they can make money with it, right? They can promote the offer. And I don't know if they are, let's see. Yeah, it's not an affiliate link. They're not making money with it, but you can do that. The other thing you guys can do is you can contact this person and say, hey, can I buy a link from you? Can I put a link to my affiliate program? Can I buy it from you? And I will pay you, $10 a month, $20 a month, depending on how much traffic. I want to test it out first. I want to test drive it, right? I'm going to pay you $20 for the first month or $10, and I want to see how many affiliate commissions I get. If you make more money, you keep it. If you don't, you can just, say you're not going to renew it, right? This is an option here, okay? So you have a bunch of options that you can do. But let me show you the second method. I want to give you guys options. Let me show you the second method. So the second method, right? You're going to go back to Google. I'm just using Bing. It's the same thing. And you can just type free job posting sites, okay? And you have 21 free job posting sites that are high traffic and 100% free. This is betterteam.com. And if we open this up, we have 21, free job posting sites that are high traffic, 100% free. And you can try Better Teams for free. You have Indeed. You have Google for Jobs. Job posted online can be included in Google search results if they are formatted correctly. We have Jora. We have Handshake. We have Ladders. We have Angelist, LinkedIn, Learn for Good. We have 50 or how many? 21, right? And, there's all kinds of other pages that, there's top free posting for employers. Craigslist, Adzuna, Glassdoor, Google for Jobs, et cetera, et cetera. So you can essentially Google for Jobs. You can just type that in, and you can come in here and you can click on this, jobs.google.com, and you can get started. So you can essentially post a job for DoorDash. Okay, you can just post a job for DoorDash. They can go out and work on DoorDash. Now, when they click on it, they're going to get redirected to a DoorDash application page. But it's going to be using the affiliate program, right? If you're using MaxBounty or another affiliate program, another affiliate network, CPA Marketing Network, you're going to be getting a credit for it if they actually sign up, right? If they get the lead. Because remember, if you go to this site right here, you can see that this is $50 for the lead, right? Very, very important. And you can have these articles, you can buy links, you can do all kinds of interesting things. Now, guys, DoorDash is not the only one. There's all kinds of other sites, right? There's DoorDash, but if you go in here, I want to show you a couple of other ones. Postmates, right? We have food delivery, groceries, the same thing. We can go back to affiliates here and we can say Postmates. Okay? And what do you have? Postmates driver acquisition, $30. There's no MaxBounty. This is vouchers. This is for consumers. Okay, we're not doing consumers. We're doing driver acquisitions. Okay, you can do that. There's also Uber Eats, right? You can go in here and you can do Uber Eats. So let's go to Postmates. And this is what Postmates looks like, right? You can just enter your delivery address and you can do the same thing. It's the same thing as essentially DoorDash, There's also Uber Eats, right? You can just type ubereats.com and you have Uber Eats, right? You have Uber Eats and you can promote that as well if you find offers for it, right? What you want to do, guys, is you want to type Postmates and you want to type versus Grubhub, Instacart. I've seen Grubhub offers. Let's go back to affiliate here. Grubhub. Do we have that? Grubhub, $100 CPA. No, what about Postmates? Do we have that? Yeah, we have Postmates. What about Uber Eats? There you go. These are probably consumers, so you have to pay close attention to see what's happening. 26, this is a gift card. What about Instacart? Another one, Instacart. Shoppers, grocery delivery. Okay, so you have a couple of these offers, they come and go. You're going to see lots of offers. Guys, you want to check. But right now, in my estimation, in my view, if you type DoorDash, it's the best one. It's $50. There's nothing higher right now from what I can see. All right, guys. So remember, guys, we're not doing consumer stuff. We're doing this one right here. And you have job sites. You can buy links. You can create a YouTube video. So if I go back here, if I go in here and I type how to become a DoorDash driver, look at this. These are YouTube videos, right? You can just create a YouTube video. You don't need to have your face on it. You don't need to have your face on it. You can just stitch it together and you can use all kinds of different tools. You can do a tool called Weed Studio, right? You can just type, it's VEED. You can just do something like this and you can essentially create a video, open a YouTube channel and upload it and you are done. It's really up to you. I just wanted to give you a ton of options how you can do it. Take a look at this. This is their UI. Very, very simple. You don't need to have your face on it. You can have your face on it if you want, but all you have to do is just show them right here. You can just show them the requirements. DoorDash drivers, you can just talk a little bit about it. Then you can essentially show them this article right here, that Medium link. You can show them this article right here. And then you can show them that Medium link that I showed you before. That Medium article, is DoorDash worth it? And you can kind of talk about it. You can make the video like 10-15 minutes, and then at the bottom you can put your MaxBounty affiliate link. So for instance, if I open up the videos here, right? If I open up videos, so if I click on this could be an affiliate link. Let's open this up. Let's open this up. And do we have an affiliate? No, there's no affiliate link. And this video has 8,000 views on it, right? So, this person could be making a lot more money if they worked hard at it, all right? So lots of ways of doing it, lots of ways to, skin a cat or whatever your favorite expression is. Let me know which one is your favorite way. There's lots of ways, always ways to make money. Let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you like this video. Smash that like button. I would really, really appreciate it. It means a lot to me. And I'll see you guys in the next video.